Sandra had lived in her Harrisburg, North Carolina home for over 20 years. Then a broken leg changed everything. Her family was in Alaska. Medical clearance to fly had just come through, and the window to act was 10 to 14 days. Her granddaughter, KRISTIN, stepped in to make it happen. The home hadn't been updated in more than 2 decades. Deferred maintenance had built up quietly the entire time Sandra lived there. There was no time to prep, stage, or negotiate repairs, and no traditional listing was going to close in 14 days anyway. KRISTIN needed a faster path. KRISTIN found Travis Buys Homes and explained the situation plainly. Elderly grandmother, broken leg, Alaska, 2 weeks. The answer was immediate: we can do this. Our team assessed the home as is, made a fair cash offer the family could act on right away, and structured the closing around KRISTIN's timeline. No repairs required. No delays. Closing happened on schedule. Sandra's part of the process was minimal. KRISTIN coordinated, Travis handled everything else. The home sold as is, all closing costs were covered by Travis Buys Homes, and Sandra made her flight. She's with her family in Alaska now. For KRISTIN, that was the only outcome that mattered. You're helping a parent or grandparent sell and relocate. A few things matter. First, an outdated home is still sellable. Cash buyers purchase as is with no repairs required. Second, hard deadlines are workable. State your timeline at the first call and confirm the buyer can meet it. Third, know who can sign. A valid power of attorney lets a family member handle closing on a relative's behalf. And fourth, act before the move, not after. An empty, unmaintained property loses value fast. We buy houses in Harrisburg, Charlotte, and across North Carolina. Any condition, any timeline, no repairs, no agent fees, no closing costs to you. If you have a hard deadline, tell us at the first conversation. We'll work backward from it. Go to travisbuyshomes.com and fill out the short form. We'll have a no-obligation cash offer back to you within 24 hours. Let's get your family where they need to be.